Sup besties, just me saying hi because, like, why not start cute? Okay. Low-key pretending I'm lifting the weight of all my responsibilities, or just my arms, same energy, chill mode activated, butterfly pose because apparently sitting like this makes me enlightened or something. Namaste, y'all. Time to balance on one leg because life isn't hard enough already. Also, try not to wobble. This is not a tutorial, okay? Ooh, cinematic shot, looking all majestic, like I belong in a yoga magazine. Vogue who? Zoom in on my inner peace, or the fact that I'm about to fall over any second. Drama. Yes, just some core action happening here. Gotta show the abs without actually doing crunches. Instagram vibes only, now we're bending like a confused pretzel. Is this yoga? Maybe. Is it flexible? Definitely questionable. Legs up, feeling like a giraffe in heels. Low-key proud, but also low-key terrified, I might snap in half, channeling my inner warrior. Like, I fought off Monday already, so this is just for fun. Stretch it out, ladies and gents. Pretend you're not thinking about pizza while doing this. Legs, do your thing. Side leg raises because why walk when you can hover dramatically? Drop it like a lunge, feeling strong but also questioning all life choices that led to this flexibility test. Sumo vibes. Squat up, squat down. Pretend this burns calories, but secretly it's just for the aesthetic. Catching my breath because yes, this is exhausting. Also, dramatic resting pose obviously. Look at me being elegant while trying not to look like I'm about to tip over. Balance is a myth. Split life update. We're flexible now. Forward fold because why not fold into myself emotionally too? Boom. Full splits. I have peaked in life. Also yes, my legs are now officially illegal amounts of bendy. Time to recover. Child's pose. Hiding from adulthood for approximately 5 seconds. Shh. And for the grand finale, upside down, because apparently gravity is just a suggestion.